Limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. Today we have a little bit something different. This is kind of like an MLB slash NFL type of unboxing. So let's take a look at what we have in today. And there it is. Candlestick Park, San Francisco, California. Former home of the San Francisco 49ers of the NFL and the former home of the San Francisco Giants of the MLB. Candlestick Park is well, it's loved and it's not loved. It's one of the tougher places to play due to the winds and the cold and the weather regarding the San Francisco Bay Area. So, I mean, if your hot dog wrapper flies out of your hand, there's a good chance it's going to land in the outfield or maybe hitting a player. It's just one of those type of things. But it's a legendary ballpark in the Bay Area. And let's take a look of the stadium. Candlestick Park, San Francisco, California. This is a 5950. These hats have came out with some of the bigger name stores, but it's usually a side patch. Sometimes it is on the front of a cap. Let's take a look at other parts of the cap. Side shot. Basically gold on gold on gold. It's not a bad thing in this case. Okay, so we got a back shot. It says San Francisco. Along there is no sport logos on this cap at all. Side shot. So this is an MLB hologram. So this is an MLB hat, classified as a Major League Baseball hat. But Candlestick Park is also known for the 49ers playing in there as well. Black UV. So we got a wool cap. This was probably made 2016, 2020, I want to say. And we got a Cooperstown collection. So as mentioned, this is an MLB type of cap, 5950. What do you think of this cap? Do you like it or love it, dislike it, or hate it? Personal opinion, I think it is very clean, nice graphics, nice gold stitching on this bad boy. Either you like the Niners or the Giants or not, Dodgers fan or Raiders fan, whatever. Beautiful cap. If you want to purchase caps like these and more, take a look at the description for that. Subscribe if you enjoy the content, and more on the way. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a wonderful day.